G'day everyone, I'm going to do a Tabata strength circuit today. It's going to be 10 minutes long. We're going to do a push, a pull, a leg and a core exercise on each round. I'll do progressions and regressions for you. So we'll get started. We're going to hit the timer pretty soon. And the first one I'm doing is the body row. So with our body row, progression is body straight all the way through. And I'm going to superset this with the push-up, down through here. Now I'm going to do a sit-up, a crunch, and a squat jump. And then we're going to just increase the rounds. I'm going to show you some progressions as we roll through, like a pull-up for example, pike press for push, squat jump, split jump. So there's just going to be a few variations, and get my heart rate up as well. So looking into it. Just wait for that timer to start. Just get my hip position up, core's engaged. Tensing the glutes and quads as well. Keep my body rigid. I'm not sagging or swinging down like this. Sweet, first round. So push-ups. I want to keep my head in line with my back. So I don't want to have my head here. I don't want to be right up here, just looking about a metre in front. Elbows are tucked in close together. Again, core tensed up, quads, butt. So keeping the body nice and straight all the way through there. Got a guest audience here today for our workout. Push up, so we've got a push pull. I've just done my bent row and my push. So now we're going to go into legs and then do a squat jump. Just keeping the knees checking over my toes. Full depth in that squat, nice and stable, and landing soft. Okay, I'm not landing with the knees jarring, and then sitting into our squat, nice and soft, powering through. 20 seconds. Means we can just push hard. We get that 10-second rest at the end of it. Go for sit up, next one. So hands across the shoulders, full depth. Okay, and I'm not having my head locked down into my chest. I'm looking up the same spot, keeping the head in line with the back there. If you need to on this one, throw the arms for assistance to help you regress it there. Alright, so that's the first round. Second round, I'm going to do a pull-up. So if you find pull-ups, okay, if you can't get your body weight up, okay, if you need a bit of assistance, okay, you can jump up or step up like this, up and hold, slow lower down, jump up, hold, slow lower down. Right, push up, back on for push up. Okay, this is a harder one for push ups, called a plyo push. Okay, what I'm doing is getting the hands off the ground, just like a squat jump. Okay, I'm landing soft, I'm not jarring my arms and going into the push, bending the elbows. As soon as we land in that position there, okay, this is giving me a much harder workout for the chest. Woo! Here we go. Alrighty. Legs. We're going to go for a regression for the legs this time. So it's the bodyweight squat. Okay, important thing with the squat, so we don't collapse down into our legs, okay, with the upper body. This is very common. What we want to do is keep the big chest, head and hands up, nice and strong at the bottom through there. Right, progression for the sit-up. You can go for a crunch. The feet stay in the air, hands across the shoulders, powering through. And this, it just takes a little bit more timing. If you want to though, you can grab onto the legs. If you don't quite have the full crunch, grab the back of the thighs. You can regress it, assist it, Just like that. Alright. We'll go back to the body row. Okay, I want to just bring the bar mid-chest. Get the arms nice and straight at the bottom. Full gauge at the top. Chin's tucked in. Tense in the core. Go back to our push-up. Hips forward. Tucking elbows in. You'll be starting to get tired, okay, so it's important that you just keep your technique good and regress. As soon as my chest goes, I'm popping onto knees here, but I'm keeping the core engaged, keeping the elbows tucked in, all those principles, exactly the same. Alright, for the legs, we'll mix it up again, we're going to go for a split jump. So we're here, bounding, just like with the squat, the head and chest stays upright. Power them out, landing soft, not jarring the legs. Bingo. Alright, we'll show you the regression for the sit-up. Okay, throwing the arms. So when you're doing this workout, progress into the harder stuff. As soon as you can't maintain your form good, can't get the reps, you're regressing it. Just go for a constant cycle of progression and regression. And it's real important that we get that gauge. As soon as your form's going, straight into the regression. Alright, go back on for pull-ups. Okay, and feel a bit tired. So, I'm going for the step up, jump up, slow lower down. Alright. Plyometric push. The elbows are tucked in. I'm going to show you here as I'm going to burn out, then I'm going to head into my regression for the plyometric push, which is just like the push-up regression onto the knees. There we go, onto the knees now. Making a little bit more manageable, still maintain the form. And that's how we do the regressions every time. Let's be coming up round 3, round 4. Alright, sit-ups. Hands planted. And you can get a great workout in 10 minutes. I'm getting full body strength conditioning out of this, and I'm getting a cardio workout. My heart rate will be at about, running for me, about 140, so, which is great if you're time poor and you only got 10 minutes to smash your workout up. My back, body row. Tense in the core, okay, we're never sagging in any of these positions. Tensing my quads up, glutes, core. Push up. Nice and in control. As soon as we find that form going, we stabilize. Pop it straight onto the regression, onto knees there. I didn't have much left on this one. Alright. So the split jump that I did before, we're going to do the regression for it, which is the lunge. Okay, so we're here, stepping it back. It's a little bit more stable than the forward lunge because we're keeping that weight on the front leg, we're not transitioning onto the front leg. Again, heads up, chest, good posture. Throw some crunches in for good measure. Lucky last. Final round. So if you got more gas, you got a little bit more time, do another round or two. This is me for today. So that's it there. Strength workout, Tabata style. The way we were doing it, it's getting the heart rate up. So if you're wanting to do a workout that's still going to work your muscle, get your heart rate up, that's not high intensity, this is a great kind of workout for you. It's good to have a break from the high intensity work, and this is a really good transition to go from a 10-minute HIIT style workout, because of the loading that we're putting on the muscle groups, a lot more specific and getting the heart rate up, but not at the high intensity heart rate level. We're at a more manageable heart rate level, which is really good. So give it a jam. 10-minute workout for your strength and your lighter cardio. Smash it.